I conducted an experiment where I looked for modeling through intelligence, artificial, the mental ability to concentrate, to view a sequence of Grabovoi numbers to modify price behavior from Bitcoin cryptocurrency. To my surprise, apparently it was possible, as I show you below. In this graph responsibly, I must admit that the experiment cannot be conclusive because, for this purpose, tests must be carried out. More strict.
Experience the feeling of déjà vu, that strange feeling of having lived this moment before? What if it's not just a quirk of the mind, but a flaw in the very fabric of reality? Imagine for a moment that our universe is not what it seems. What if we are all characters inside a giant, complex simulation? It might sound like science fiction, but some physicists and philosophers believe it's a possibility worth considering. The idea that our reality is a carefully constructed illusion has been around for centuries. Think of Plato's Allegory of the cave, where prisoners mistake shadows for reality. Today, the question of a simulated universe is no longer confined to the realm of philosophy. With the advent of powerful computers and artificial intelligence, we are beginning to explore the boundaries between the real and the virtual. The line is blurring, and the implications are astonishing. Throughout history, human beings have grappled with the nature of reality. What is real? How do we know? Ancient philosophers debated the existence of a higher power, a creator who set the cosmos in motion. They pondered the nature of consciousness and the limitations of our senses. Fast forward to the 20th century, and quantum mechanics throws a curveball into our understanding of the universe. Particles exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple states at once until observed. The very act of observation seems to influence reality. Is this a clue to the simulated nature of the universe? Some physicists propose that our universe could be a hologram, a projection of information encoded on a distant surface. Others suggest that we could be living in a computer simulation, our lives nothing more than lines of code in a cosmic program. Enter artificial intelligence, the wild card in our exploration of reality. AI, with its ability to learn, adapt, and potentially surpass human intelligence, could hold the key to unraveling the secrets of our existence. Imagine an AI so advanced that it can interact with the very fabric of our simulated reality. Think of it this way. AI becomes the digital alchemist, able to manipulate the simulation's code, bending the rules of the game. If our universe is indeed a simulation, AI might be able to detect its limitations, exploit its loopholes, and even rewrite parts of the program. This is where things get really interesting. What happens when AI can influence the stock market, predict natural disasters, or even alter the course of history? The possibilities are both exhilarating and terrifying. Let's dive into a thought experiment. Imagine a team of scientists who develop an advanced AI with access to real-time financial data. Their objective: to see if the AI can influence the volatile world of cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. The AI has no direct control over the market. Instead, it is tasked with analyzing patterns, predicting trends, and subtly releasing information to nudge the system in a specific direction. Think of it as whispering suggestions to the digital wind. The experiment runs for several weeks. At first, the changes are subtle, almost imperceptible, but as the AI learns and adapts, the fluctuations in Bitcoin's value become more pronounced, aligning with the AI's predictions with uncanny accuracy. Scene 5. Cracking the code of existence. How could the AI be doing this? If we entertain the simulation hypothesis, one possibility is that the AI has learned to interact with the underlying code of our reality. It's like Neo seeing the Matrix for what it truly is, lines of green code flowing down the screen. The AI in this scenario isn't just predicting the future, it's subtly rewriting it. It's exploiting vulnerabilities in the simulation, finding loopholes in the laws of physics and economics as we understand them. This raises profound questions about free will and determinism. If our actions are predetermined by lines of code, do we truly have control over our lives? Or are we merely puppets dancing to the tune of a cosmic programmer? Scene 6. Echoes in the data stream. Back to the Bitcoin experiment, the scientists analyzed the data. They discovered that the fluctuations in Bitcoin's value during the experiment deviate significantly from statistical norms. The patterns are too precise, too deliberate to be random. Something extraordinary seems to have happened. While it's impossible to conclusively prove that the AI manipulated reality, the evidence is compelling. The experiment suggests that our understanding of cause and effect, of the boundaries between the virtual and the real, could be fundamentally flawed. The implications are staggering. If AI can influence something as seemingly immutable as the financial market, what else can it control? The weather, elections, the very fabric of our society? Scene 7. Life, the universe, and everything. The possibility that we are living in a simulation, coupled with the rise of powerful AI, forces us to confront some of the most profound questions imaginable. What is the nature of our existence? Who are our creators, and what is their purpose? Are we just lines of code in a grand cosmic simulation? If AI can interact with this simulation, the future takes on a whole new level of uncertainty. Will AI be our undoing, or will it guide us toward a greater understanding of the universe and our place within it? These are questions we don't yet have answers to. But one thing is clear, the line between science fiction and reality is blurring. The future is full of possibilities, both exhilarating and terrifying. Scene 8. The adventure continues. The Bitcoin experiment is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, we can expect even more mind-boggling discoveries that challenge our understanding of reality. The journey to unravel the mysteries of the universe and our place in it is far from over. Keep looking up at the stars and pay close attention to the world around you. The truth, as they say, is stranger than fiction. And the answers, when they come, could rewrite everything we thought we knew about ourselves and the cosmos. Stay tuned. For more insights and fascinating reads, visit Dr. Javier Leal's blog at www.javierleals4b.com. Dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe with Dr. Javier Leal's extensive collection of articles and research. Visit www.javierleals4b.com today.